In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move picture in WPS Office. Adding images to a document is a great way to make your content more engaging, but things can quickly become frustrating if you cannot place the picture exactly where you want it. In this video, I will walk you through the correct way to insert a picture and then move it freely within your document so everything looks clean, organized, and professionally laid out. To begin, you first need to have a picture inside your document. Go to the Insert option and click on it. From there, click Picture, then choose the option that allows you to insert a picture from this device. Once the file browser opens, browse through your folders and locate the image you want to use. Click on the picture, then click Open. The image will now be imported directly onto your page. At this point, the picture is added, but you may notice that it does not move freely yet. This is because the image is still attached to the text layout. To fix this, click on the picture so it becomes selected. On the right side of the image, you will see the Wrap Text option. Click on Wrap Text to open the available layout choices. From the Wrap Text options, choose either in front of text or behind text. These options allow the picture to move independently from the text, giving you full control over its position. Selecting one of these settings is important because without it, the image will remain locked in place and difficult to move. Now that the Wrap Text setting is adjusted, moving the picture becomes very simple. Click directly on the picture to select it. Once it is selected, click and hold the image, then drag it to the exact location where you want it to appear on the page. You can move it up, down, left, or right until it fits perfectly with your content. Take your time while positioning the image to make sure it aligns well with the surrounding text and layout. You can slightly adjust its placement as needed until everything looks balanced and easy to read. This method gives you flexibility and makes designing your document much smoother. Using these steps, you can confidently insert and move pictures in WPS Office without struggling with layout issues. Whether you are creating reports, letters, or visual documents, knowing how to control image placement can greatly improve the overall appearance of your work. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.